how to see login activity on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can see the login activity on Snapchat. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so stay tuned to the video while I guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Snapchat application and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll get an interface like this. You want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top left corner of your screen beside the search icon. Once you tap on it, you'll be headed to your profile, and you can see my profile here on the screen. What you want to do is you want to tap on the settings or the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of the screen beside the share icon. Once you tap on it there, scroll down all the way down below to the bottom end. At the bottom, you'll find the option, 4 different options at the bottom. You can see blocked, saved, login info, my data, and logout. You can see the option saved login info, right? You want to simply tap on saved login info, and any other device that you have that your account is logged in on will show up here. Now you can see my account is logged in only on this device, and it was last logged in 11/20/2023 at 3:45 p.m. So now it's currently logged in on my device. So if you have any account, if your account is logged in on any other device, it'll show up here with the last logged in date. So this way you can see login activity on Snapchat, and you can remove the login, or you can log it out from that particular device by using the minus icon there beside the logged in device name as well. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.